In the dark emptiness of space, there are things beyond human imagination. Stars burn for billions of years, galaxies collide, and entire solar systems are born and destroyed. But hidden among them are objects that don't shine or sparkle. They don't give light, they take it away. These are black holes, the most powerful and mysterious objects in the universe. And somewhere out there, one particular black hole stands above all others, a cosmic monster that could destroy everything in its path. At the center of almost every galaxy, including our own Milky Way, lies a supermassive black hole. But the one that holds the record is located in a distant galaxy called Holmberg 15A. Astronomers call it Holmberg 15A black hole, and it's about 40 billion times the mass of our sun. That's so heavy that if it were placed in the middle of our solar system, it would swallow every planet and still have room to spare. Its event horizon, the invisible boundary around it where gravity becomes so strong that nothing can escape, is about the size of our entire solar system. To understand how dangerous this is, you have to understand what a black hole really is. It's not a star or a planet, it's space itself collapsing under its own weight. When a massive star runs out of fuel, it explodes in a supernova. The remaining core then collapses into a single point so dense that it bends space and time. This point is called a singularity, and once something crosses the event horizon, it's gone forever. No signal, no matter how fast, can escape its pull. But what makes the Holmberg 15A black hole even more terrifying is not just its size, it's what it represents. Scientists believe it's a result of multiple black holes merging over billions of years. Imagine several galactic centers colliding, their black holes spiraling together, feeding on gas, dust, and even stars. Each merger releases more energy than any explosion in the known universe, until finally, one giant monster is born. Now picture this, a single object that could trap light, distort time, and consume anything that comes too close. If Earth somehow drifted toward it, the first thing we'd notice is not destruction, but distortion. Light from nearby stars would stretch and twist as if the universe were being pulled into a whirlpool. Time itself would slow near the event horizon, meaning a single minute for someone close to it could equal years for someone far away. Powerful enough to blast away entire regions of gas and dust, stopping new stars from forming. Now, what makes a black hole truly dangerous is not just its gravity, but its unpredictability. They can merge, move, and grow. Some scientists believe that wandering black holes are floating through space right now, silent and invisible, passing through galaxies like cosmic ghosts. If one ever came close to our solar system, we might not notice it until it was too late. It wouldn't crash into Earth directly. Instead, its gravity would slowly rip our planet's orbit apart, tearing everything we know into dust. The most terrifying type of all is the hypothetical rogue black hole. These are black holes, so not tied to any galaxy, drifting freely through the universe after being kicked out by cosmic collisions. Astronomers estimate that there could be hundreds of millions of them in our Milky Way alone. Each one could be the size of a city, but carry the mass of several suns. Invisible and silent, they could swallow a planet without leaving a trace. But even among these cosmic threats, one object still stands as a mystery above all others, a theoretical monster called the quasar black hole. Quasars are among the brightest objects ever seen, powered by black holes consuming matter at incredible speeds. The energy they release can outshine entire galaxies. The largest known quasar black hole, TON 618, is about 66 billion times the mass of the Sun. That's nearly twice as large as Holmberg 15A. To put that in perspective, if TON 618 replaced our Sun, its event horizon would stretch far beyond the orbit of Pluto. What's even more mind-bending is how these giants warp the fabric of space-time itself. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity is not just a force, but a curve in the fabric of space and time. A massive object like a black hole bends that fabric so much that anything crossing its boundary can never return. Scientists have even simulated what the view near a black hole might look like, and it's unlike anything you can imagine. The light from stars behind it bends around it, creating a glowing halo that looks like a portal into another dimension. And this leads to one of the biggest questions in science: what happens inside a black hole? Some theories suggest that once matter crosses the event horizon, it's crushed into a single point of infinite density. Others think it might not be destroyed at all, but transformed. Perhaps even transported to another universe entirely. But since no information can escape from inside, it remains the ultimate cosmic mystery. If black holes weren't already mysterious enough, there's something even more fascinating. Some scientists think that at the heart of every black hole might lie the key to understanding how our universe began. The Big Bang itself could have started from something similar to a black hole, where energy and matter were once packed into an infinitely small point before exploding outward. This has led to theories that every black hole might create a new universe inside it, like a cosmic seed giving birth to countless new worlds beyond our reach. It's an idea that turns destruction into creation, showing that the universe might recycle itself endlessly. But black holes aren't just distant monsters in the cosmos. They also help scientists test the laws of physics in extreme conditions. In 2019, astronomers captured the first real image of a black hole's shadow using the Event Horizon Telescope. It was located in the galaxy M87 about 55 million light-years away. That glowing ring wasn't the black hole itself, but light bending around it, proof that Einstein's predictions about gravity and time were correct even in the most violent corners of space. It was a breathtaking moment in human history, showing that our species had finally glimpsed something once thought to be invisible forever. As we continue to observe the universe, we find that black holes are not rare. They're everywhere, scattered across galaxies in numbers beyond comprehension. Some are tiny, formed from collapsing stars. Others are giants like Taun 618 or Holmberg 15A, sitting at the centers of galaxies, shaping everything around them. And even though they devour everything that gets too close, they also give off clues, jets of radiation, waves in space-time, and distortions in light that tell us where they are and how they behave. One of the most exciting discoveries in recent years came from the detection of gravitational waves, ripples in space-time caused by the collision of two black holes. When these waves were first observed in 2015, it opened a new way of studying the universe, almost like switching from sight to hearing. For the first time, we could listen to black holes merging billions of light-years away. Every time scientists detect a new signal, it's like hearing the heartbeat of the cosmos itself. Still, black holes remind us how small we are. Even the closest ones are so far away that light from them takes thousands or millions of years to reach us. And yet what happens inside them could one day answer humanity's biggest questions. What is space? What is time? And where does everything go when it disappears? In the end, the most dangerous object in the universe might also be the most important one. Black holes destroy, but they also create, teach, and reveal. They show us the limits of what we know and push us to imagine what lies beyond. Somewhere in the darkness, these silent giants keep reshaping the universe, one star, one galaxy, and one mystery at a time. If you enjoyed this journey into the darkest corners of the universe, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more incredible space documentaries, and turn on notifications so you never miss what's next. Because in the vastness of space, the more we learn, the more mysterious it becomes.